look at this cutie. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. Oh.
Just sometimes I have something.
Oh, you're so cute. Oh, you like that, eh? Oh, you like that, don't you? Oh, what breed, man? Sorry.
She's a
Chihuahua? Of like long fur Chihuahua.
Yeah.
You are so cute. What is your name? What's the name?
Margot.
Marco?
Yeah.
Margot. Margot? You have a Hollywood name, don't you? Oh my goodness, you're so cute. Oh, she's lifting up her paw. Oh, under there? You want that under there? Oh my gosh. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, like so miniature. And how many months are?
She's 5.
5? Oh yeah. Oh, look at this. You like it there? Eh? Oh my gosh. Do you know any tricks? Do you know any tricks? Do you know how to sit, lay down? You're too cute. Oh my gosh. She's lifting up her leg. Oh my gosh. You like it on this side, eh? You like it on this side. Oh. I don't think she wants to leave now. I don't mind. Oh, you are adorable. You're so cute. She doesn't want to leave now. It's like, don't stop. Don't stop. Okay. I think, give a shake. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye. So cute. So tiny. Oh, I might make that into a short. Meeting cute dogs on my walks. Margot. Hollywood name.